Hello friends, this is Sufia from AMP, that is Association of Muslim Professionals. In this audio, I'm going to talk to you about how to move ahead with the exam email ID and the exam password to appear for the exam. What all you need to do is be prepared. Yes, be prepared with all these details prior the exam. Log in prior 15 minutes of the examination time. What all you need to do is open your Champion app and go to the My Registration Details tab, wherein you can find the registration details, your name, the exam email ID, the exam password, the exam category, the exam language, and the exam link. What you need to do is to copy the exam email ID and the exam password in your notes. You have been provided a right arrow near it so as to copy all the details. These details have already been SMSed to you as well. You can refer the SMS as well. Now once you click the exam link, it will land you a page and ask for sign in. Your email or phone. Remember, you don't need to provide your personal email ID or your personal phone number. What it is actually asking is the exam email ID that have been provided to you. Just copy the exam email ID and paste it here and click next. It will ask for the exam password. Again, you can copy it from your notes or you can write it down through the keyboard and click next. It will land you to the examination page wherein you can find the important instructions and the questions. But remember, this link will be activated on the day and time of the exam. For example, 19th December at 11 am for the school category. If you have already logged in, fill in all these details, wait for the correct time, the link will get activated. So all the best for your examination. I wish you all the success and the team AMP wishes all the best for your career. Thanks.